the back end. This is my man right here. This is my man. My brother.
I thought he bent his ladder. It sounds like yeah. Still look at it. It looks like it just comes down. Is that your Elon? Oh wait, I know.
Be able to pull it. Yeah, he's not going to be able to pull it.
Way too much.
You talking trash about Scotty Struck behind us.
She posted that video. Oh my god, I cried. I was calling her.
That next weekend, I think it's Meridian. Saturday.
I never called him. I called him. In front. I literally was like,
Maybe that one's not putting out. That one's like Saturday.
The one down there? Yeah.
Take a break, probably. Ohio only goes back in
August? Well, more in July. That one, on the paper, there's like 6 books. I don't know where. Who got them written down? I wrote hard, but they got the paper. It wasn't on there. See ya.
What?
See ya.
We're not leaving. Okay, so that was the last trip. So yeah, we're gonna stay tuned.